What's up guys, I'm watching another video, day 12 of Vlogmas, and today I am so freaking excited, bro. I've been waiting for the past couple of days, same as you guys, but the F80 is finally done with the wheels being powder coated. I have not seen any photos. He sent me a photo of the wheel and the wheel color, but not on the car. So I'm excited how the car is gonna look right now. We're about to see it for the first time. We did the brake calipers and we powder coated the wheels. So huge transformation on the F80 today. I think it's gonna look a lot better. I'm gonna show you guys what color we went with right now. If you guys remember last video when we dropped it off, literally 2 days ago, by the way, shout out to Bulletproof Powder Coating, super fast turnaround time. I dropped off the car, he did all the wheels and stuff like that, put the wheels back on, and is ready for pickup in 2 days, bro. That is crazy. But if you guys watched that video, I talked about the colors that I was trying to decide between. It was the white, chrome, or just gloss black again, like my last F80. A lot of people wanted me to do chrome, so we'll see what color we did right now. I'll show you guys right now when we get there. So if you guys can tell, it's not late, it's only 5 p.m., but again, daylight savings, dude. It makes it seem so late. I feel tired. Does anyone else feel tired, bro? Because I hate the daylight savings. It makes you feel tired and it makes it feel like it's so late, but it's only 5. And it sucks because I want to vlog in the daytime and it gets dark so early, but whatever. We're picking up the car right now. And then we got another exciting thing to do, which, what, Josephine, what are we doing?
We're gonna drop my car off, get wrapped.
We're dropping off her car to get wrapped, guys. Everything is happening at once. Everything on her car is happening so fast, by the way. Yeah. We did the window tint yesterday, the chrome delete.
The day before.
And now wrap.
Yeah.
Literally all 3 days in a row.
It's funny, people will be, like, I'll post it and then people will be like, oh, window tint next. Oh, wrap it pink next. Oh, wheels next. And
it's already
like,
done, huh?
Yeah, it's like the next day is already like there.
Welcome to the vlog life, you know? We're literally doing mods on both our cars. That's crazy. How's it feel being a car girl?
Goals.
I'm just kidding. Are you a car girl now?
No, God, no. I'm scared, you guys. It's scary coming into a community that's so tight and, like, I don't know, I feel judged.
No. She said somebody commented on her thing like, it's just a 330i. That's like messed up, guys.
It's my 330i though.
I know. Nah, we're gonna make it look cool. It's gonna look better than some guys' M340s out there. Watch.
Period.
Guys, I already see the car. Bro, the wheels are bright, dude. Oh, that shit looks crazy. Nah, I haven't looked. I just peeped it a little bit. Oh my god, dude. That shit looks fire. Guys, we went with white wheels, dude. White TEs, red calipers too. But that shit looks good with the calipers. I almost forgot, bro. We almost stayed with the stock calipers. They're actually blue. They were blue. The red looks so much better. Red calipers, red stickers, white TEs.
Wow. They look like little Barbie wheels.
Ooh, they washed it too. The car looked insane. Barbie wheels? No way.
Ooh, so when it's like rolled down, the roll cage is gonna look like.
With the cage showing. Guys, wow. I'm so happy.
Aww.
This looks insane. Like, now it looks like modified, I feel like. Like, it just looks crazy. I don't know.
Yeah, I feel like, don't want to sound like a hater, but the blue wheels were so random to me.
I know. They were.
Well, because you bought them like that.
Bought them like that.
Yeah.
Plans with changing the color anyways. And finally, we did it, guys. What do you guys think? You like it?
Oh, of course. I love the white.
Oh my god, dude. And usually, guys, like before I do something big to my car, I Photoshop it. Like just to get a vision. I had no vision. I just did it and I wanted to be super surprised.
What was the other option between white and what?
It was white or just black.
Oh, this is better. I feel
like chrome, like David's. But
ooh, that would kind of look
chrome
nice
would look cool too.
No, but I like this different.
It's different.
You know 100% what it looks like?
Different, guys.
Kind of like a Hot Wheel to me.
Hot Wheel, it does look like a Hot Wheel. I'm not gonna lie. That's what I'm saying. It looks like a little toy now. And if you can see here, look. Check this out, guys. Got the white brace bar in there, and it literally matches the wheels perfect. Damn, and like she said too, once the windows are rolled down, you can see the whole cage in there. This looks fire. I'm so hyped. This might be my new favorite car now. I swear this might be my new favorite car, guys. It looks sick. I love the calipers too. Bro, I can't wait to show everybody. I'm so hyped. I just fell in love with the F80 all over again, 100%. Because I was even in talks about selling this car, remember? I was already trying to sell it, guys. I don't know why, bro. I just was getting a little bored, but I need to switch it up. And now, bro, I'm in love with it. This might be better. This is better than G80 now.
Shut up.
It's hard. I'm telling you,
really?
It's so hard to pick, but right now, this is like my favorite car so far.
I want you to get in and like roll the windows down.
The red stickers look so good. I'm so glad we did
matches.
this, guys. It literally came out exactly how I wanted it to come out.
I feel like you probably wouldn't have been this happy with black.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. The white stands out crazy. This is the first time ever having white wheels. Honestly, the first time ever having wheels different than black. I've always had black wheels on all my cars. That is sick. I gotta take some pictures.
This is what Nick does with all his cars. Anywhere we go, he parks. We're talking, and then I hear him go quiet, and this is what he's doing.
That is sick. White cage, look at that. I told you it was gonna look good.
I love it. It looks so cute, the little roll cage. Now I feel like it makes sense. The white roll cage with the white wheels now makes sense.
And the white seats.
Yeah. Oh, they are white, huh? I forgot.
Matches. You guys, look at it. He put the windows down, and now you can see the cage with the white seats too. Like, I feel like the interior stands out even more now with the white wheels. Matches perfectly. Dude, this car is freaking fire. Oh my god. And we're about to throw a livery on it, but right now I kind of like it like this. I don't even want to put the livery on it now.
No, you're gonna love it so far.
Hopefully. Shout out to Bulletproof Powder Coating. If you need your wheels powder coated, like I said, this is the only place to go. The best turnaround time, the best service, bro. He's done all of my wheels, all of Fresh Kicks wheels, everybody's wheels, dude. All of my friends, David. Literally the only place to go if you want to get your wheels powder coated. I'm so happy, bro. He even got the stickers on point. I told him I want the red TE37 stickers to match the wrap. He got that on point. He got the brake calipers to match too, with the M logo on it. Like, everything is super, super clean, bro. Came out perfect. All right, let's go drive it. Wow. That looks insane, bro. Guys, it looks so good. Damn. What do you guys think? Comment down below. You guys happy we did white? I know a lot of people wanted me to do chrome, but chrome just so played out, guys. He even tells me, he's like, bro, every single week there's like another full batch of chrome orders. Like, everyone wants to do chrome. He does it. He did my chrome GTR wheels and they come out fire, but it's just super basic. I feel like he even said, he's like, I haven't done white wheels in a while. So it's cool, bro. I love it. Something completely different, and it definitely matches the whole car with the cage, the wheels, the brace bar, even the seats on the interior. Like, real JDM too. Bringing a JDM to the BMW. I love the brakes too. I can't believe we almost forgot about that. Thank God he reminded me, guys, because yeah, they come with blue calipers and the red looks so much better. Imagine when we take off the wrap, all white on white on white. That's gonna look fire too. I've thought about that already. Also, this is actually Bulletproof's car, his G80, his personal car. I know it's hard to see. It's on that Bruce Wayne vibes right here, the Batman vibes. All blacked out, satin black, like Bulletproof powder coating right here, guys. But satin black G80. You guys know I love the satin black. Huge tire on it. I need this, bro. The Mickey Thompson? Dude, that is freaking sick. Yeah, I need to see this thing in the daytime. We'll probably go on a cruise soon, but this is his personal car with the T's in the front and then the beadlocks in the back. That is a fire setup. Imagine a carbon hood on this. That's what I would do. That would make it even crazier. But it looks so good. I want to do a car satin black, guys. It just looks so mean. Literally, like I said, Batman vibes. That tire is crazy in the back. I need that. I am so freaking hyped how the car came out. It honestly came out way better than I thought. White wheels was definitely the move. I'm so glad I did white. Maybe the next setup, I'll do chrome wheels with the chrome cage. A lot of people wanted me to do it, but the cage is already white, the brace bar is already white, and I never had white wheels before. So that's why I decided to do it. It looks sick, bro. I'm so happy, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. This definitely is my new favorite car and my new favorite setup that we've had so far. It just looks crazy. Like, it looks better than I thought it would. I can't wait to see it in the daytime or rolling on the freeway. Tomorrow we'll probably do like a proper photo shoot with it and everything, but I'm so happy, guys. Now we're about to go drop off Josephine's car, and maybe we'll see the color. I think they already sent the roll to the shop, so I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys the color yet. I'm sure Josephine wants it to be a surprise, so you guys are gonna have to go to Josephine and bug her to tell you guys what color she's doing. It's gonna look so good, and I feel like my G80 and her car are gonna look so good together. Like, the colors are gonna complement each other pretty good. So yeah, let's head to Premium OC right now. They're the ones that are gonna do the wrap. They also did the wrap on this car, actually, the F80, and I know they're gonna kill it. I can't wait. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to see how the wheels are gonna look when we get off the car right now. An hour drive, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a bunch of brake dust. That's the only downside about the white wheels. They look so good right now because they're clean, but I feel like they're gonna look super dirty with the brake dust that this car has. We made it. Damn, these guys are still working. I felt bad because we're coming here like after hours, but Premium don't stop working, bro. You guys remember, this is literally the exact same place that we wrapped my F80 in. Oh my God, they are already dirty, bro. I should have ceramic coated them before, but I was just super impatient and I was kind of in a rush. But yeah, they definitely already have a little bit of brake dust on it. They still look good though. But yeah, I need to get these things ceramic coated. This car looks insane, guys. I can't believe I have white wheels. It's so sick. And they're busy in here, bro. Look, they got Rolls Royces, Porsches, and then the M3 right here. I'm just kidding. The M3 killer, bro. Put some M3 badges on it. Look at this thing. Oh my God, 720 with a full carbon kit on it. Carbon lip. Even the headlights are carbon. Carbon hood. So fire. With the matching interior. This is clean. Look at all the disassembly you gotta do. I thought it was 720, but it's a 750 with the single exit exhaust. But yeah, look at the disassembly they do. This is the length that they go when they wrap cars, guys. This is why my F80 came out so good. You could not tell that my F80 used to be white at one point because they disassemble everything. This is what you gotta do to make the car come out perfect. So this is why we're also gonna have them do Josephine's car, because only people I trust to wrap cars now, bro. They do an insane job, and you guys will see how nice it's gonna look when it's all done. Come on, Josephine. You don't wanna be on camera, huh?
No, I don't.
She's not ready, guys.
Wait, what do I do? Oh, what about all this stuff?
We gotta empty it all. Put it in my car. You excited though?
Yes, of course, babe. Do you want your charger?
Yes.
Please stop.
What? You don't wanna be on camera?
No.
This car's gonna look like a completely different car after today. Watch. Last time will be black. Josephine, you're sad or what? We're gonna wrap the entire car. Have we told them the color? I mean, you guys could already guess what color we're doing, but it's from Miliatone. Our guys over at Miliatone. If you guys remember, we did Miliatone mint green on my G80, and then Miliatone guards red on the F80. And then we're doing another Miliatone color on this car. So go check out the website. You guys will see a ton of different shades and colors, satin, gloss, everything, bro. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it comes out. I love the finish on both my BMWs. Now we're doing another BMW in Miliatone. And then again, shout out to Premium. If you guys want a wrap, this is the only place to go. The only people I trust. We're planning on doing another makeover to my F80, so stay tuned for that here at Premium. They're gonna kill it, bro. We're gonna do the whole car, the wrap color, and I think we're gonna leave the roof black. Black roof, I think, is like the move. I feel like with the black roof, the car just looks better, more sportier and everything like that. And it'll match like the accents, the black roof with the black sunroof, with the black window trim. These will be black. I think there's even like a little piece of the diffusers that's gonna stay black. So it's gonna look cool, black and the wrap color. I almost told you guys the color so many times, but we're gonna try to keep it a little secret. Even though everyone already knows.
No, you don't. Seriously, I think they're gonna be surprised.
All right, you guys are gonna be surprised. Wait for it. And also, don't mind the grill. Again, we're gonna have Beamer Plug put some new grills on here. They're actually up the street from Premium, like literally walking distance from Premium. So we're probably gonna get some grills sent over here and put the grills on for the big reveal. I can't wait to see it. I feel like I'm building another car, bro. It's gonna be fun. And it's 16, Josephine all happy for the makeover too. She's like, what wheels are we gonna do? You're moving just as fast as I do on cars. Whenever I get a new car, yeah, because of me, whenever I get a new car, like the build is done within like the first month. And that's pretty much what's gonna happen to you.
Yeah.
We build it so fast on this channel, guys. And then we have no more content. You only had the car like this for, what, a couple weeks? It's already getting wrapped.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Shout out to Premium. Look, they got us some hoodies. These guys are always showing love, bro. I swear, dude, there's more. It's not even like a wrap shop, bro. It's literally like a family here. Always helping me out with everything and just being the best, bro. My boy Daniel even told me, if you ever need a shop to work on stuff, just come through. He'll let me in whenever I want to film content here. So shout out to Premium and shout out to Daniel, bro. Now we get to drive this beauty back home. And like I said, I think think we're gonna do a livery on it. I've been talking about it in the past couple videos, but premium, I've been talking to Daniel already, and we're gonna start designing a race livery on here. Make it look like a race car. It's gonna look sick. We're designing it right now. I cannot wait to wrap it. We're probably gonna do it sometime this month, maybe right after Josephine's car. Throw this in there and do the livery. This coat is gonna be red, so we're gonna keep the red, and then we're just gonna add the livery on top of this. So that's you guys' hint. I can't wait till this is done. Excited though?
There you go. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys.
How does it feel building a car? It's fun, right?
Yeah.
Do you get it now?
Finding Nick's girlfriend.
Guys, before I met her, she knew nothing about cars. Nothing. And she's learned so much. I want to show her how fun it is. Like,
and it is fun.
It's fun, right? You build your car, you pick the color, you pick the wheels, you pick the parts you want to put. Like, make it look different than everyone else's. Like, you're building your car super unique.
Yeah.
Different than everyone else.
Sure.
So your car's not gonna look like any other 330i on the street.
Of course, and I might be a little cocky because of Nicholas, but I always hear him from the beginning I met him. I have the best F80 on the streets. I have the best GTR, and I swear I can just see it. I'll have the best 330i on the streets.
Damn, she's calling out all the 330i owners.
I'm telling you guys.
But see, that's how you feel when you build your car. You're like, oh, I'm gonna have the best one.
I'm growing like a connection to it, I feel.
What's wrong, Josephine?
I know it's coming. Is it done?
It's done. The wheels?
Yeah.
They're for sure dirty. Oh my god. Time to fill up the F80. This thing is on E, bro. I don't even know how I made it here, but some gas in here. And of course, take some gas station pictures. The best photos for cars is at a gas station. Guys, this car looks fire. Like, honestly, it looks so good, dude. I cannot get over it. I'm not gonna get over it. It's literally the sickest setup I've ever seen, bro. Came out better than I thought, dude. Definitely need some Instagram photos right here with the taillights on. Look at that. Bro, I have the hardest F80. Nah, just kidding. I think so, bro. I just need to dial in the fitment, get it lowered just like my last F80. If this thing was slammed like my last one, it's game over, dude. I need to get some coilovers ASAP. It's on springs right now. I think H&R springs that the previous owner put, but coilovers would complete this perfectly, like slammed. I've been wanting to get coilovers since the day I bought it. I just haven't done it yet, but I definitely need to buy some coilovers. This looks insane, dude. There's no way this is my car, bro. Let's see if this guy answers. He never answers the phone. Come on, Kevin. The vlog is waiting, bro. He's for sure asleep. My boy's asleep at 9 p.m. He's old. Come on, bro. I'm about to leak your number. Just kidding. All right, let's see if this guy answers. He has to answer, bro. There's no way. I knew it. You go?
Yes.
You're the only one who answers.
Nobody answers you or what?
No, bro. No one likes me.
Yes.
I'm about to.
Ski masked up. Look at me.
No way. Look.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah. Bro, it honestly looks sick, dude. Like crazy.
Lower the windows down real quick. I want to see the gauge.
Hold on.
Oh, that's the remote. No way. Don't put something like that.
But the cage looks insane. Like actually crazy.
Bro, it looks crazy.
Look at that.
Oh my god. I need these in my life, bro.
These wheels on your car would actually look crazy. The white on blue with the white seats.
Okay. Okay.
Let's try them on for a video.
I'm down. Sick.
We did the red stickers, red calipers,
You did the whole barrel too, huh?
everything. There's already brake dust. Look at that.
Bro, that's already, yeah, I was gonna tell you, I don't know, you gotta ceramic coat them with ASAP Rocky.
This shit is already dirty.
Put 5 layers on it. Crazy. I don't know how you do it with those wheels, brother, to keep them clean.
It doesn't even look like my car.
You're gonna have to take like when you go to like car meets and stuff, you're gonna have to take your own spray and stuff to wipe them down.
I know. It's already bad.
You're done, brother.
How is it dirty? Huh?
The wheels are not white, brother, they're black. You've never done them. You've always had black wheels. Just black wheels.
I know, I always do the same. I almost did black.
Opposite. It's good, honestly, bro. It looks insane.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.